Sagwa, you're my best friend. Sagwa.
You can't catch me! Come on, Slowpokes, let's go!
Oops, sorry, Sagwa.
That's okay. Dongwa, wait for us!
I know we can find him, Shigwa. Dongwa? Come out wherever you are.
Okay, game's over. You win! I win! You said it! I win! Yeah! Once again, the big brother is the champ!
Once again, the big brother is a pain. That was fun. Let's play again.
Sounds great to me, Shigwa. But let's up the stakes this time. How about loser cleans the clubhouse?
Whoops, oopsie daisies.
Hey, that wasn't funny, Jet Jet.
Don't get your tail in a knot, Sagwa. We were just having fun. Hey, maybe we should dump water on you. Your face is all dirty.
That's not dirt. It's her markings. He knows, Shigwa. He's just trying to make me mad.
Better get back to the palace so your mama can clean you up.
Mama? Oh my gosh! We have to finish the scrolls! She made us promise!
Your face is all dirty. I look this way for a reason.
Sagwa, hurry up! Come on! Whoops!
Hey, be careful, please. What happened?
Sorry. Accident.
Well, watch it the next time.
I don't see why we have to practice writing anyway. I'd much rather be practicing my gung fu. Yeah! Hey, what's so funny?
You! Come on, Shigwa. Don't make fun of our brother. He's just trying to be...
Yeah!
Hey, we've got it. Will you please finish your writing? Mama will be here any minute. Don't you want her to be proud of you?
What's there to be proud of anyway?
That we're practicing our writing.
Big deal. That's your idea of a good time?
Dongwa, you know our family tradition. We've always been calligraphers. What's that? Calligraphy is the art of writing words so that they look very beautiful. And for many generations, it has been our family's honor to write down the official scrolls of all the magistrates of this province.
Boy, Sagwa, you sound just like our father when you say that.
What's wrong with that? I like it when Baba talks. Hey, I said cut it out!
going on in here? It's time for bed.
But, Mama, we're not sleepy yet.
Nope, not sleepy.
Well, that's two of you. Where's Sagwa?
Here I am, Mama.
Sagwa, what are you doing up there? How many times do I have to tell you not to climb so high?
I'm sorry, Mama.
Now to bed with all of you. And Sagwa, please try to be more careful. Do you remember what happened the first time you climbed up high and got yourself into such trouble?
Yes, Mama, I remember. Well, I don't remember.
That's because you were only a baby.
Don't call me a baby.
Dongwa, be nice to your little sister.
But she was a baby then. She was barely born.
Dongwa, I said...
I'm sorry, Mama, but sometimes she asks the silliest questions.
Dongwa!
Okay. Sorry.
I can't help it if I was so little I can't remember. So what did happen?
Oh, no. Not this story again.
Please, Mama, please. What happened?
Well, Sagwa, do you mind if I tell your story again?
Oh, that. Well, if you want to.
Well, all right then. Let's see. It all started one morning at breakfast. Come on now, children. We have to hurry, or your father and I are going to be late for work.
Yes, we must go. The master is waiting.
Why?
Pardon me, Dongwa.
Why do you have to go? Why do you have to go and write down those ridiculous rules anyway?
What? What are you talking about, my son?
That is our job, our duty.
But don't you hate writing down the magistrate's silly old rules? Sometimes he's so unfair.
Dongwa, it is not for us to say what is fair and what is not. We are only cats.
And very lucky cats, I might add. Look at where you live. Look at what you eat. Do you think the alley cats have it this good? Young man, I do not ever want to hear you talk like that again.
Yes. If you're ever overheard, we will all be tossed out in the alley. Or worse. Dongwa, remember your place.
But...
No buts. Finish your breakfasts. We will be back later.
My dear, only 93 gold pieces from finding your people this week. 93!
What's wrong with 93?
Well, dear, there's nothing wrong with 93. Except if we had collected more, then I would be able to have new robes made for our 3 beautiful daughters. I said, our 3 beautiful daughters. Now, where was I? Oh, yes. You see, my darling, you are, after all, the ranking magistrate in this province. And, well, your people expect your beautiful daughters, and of course myself, to dress in a certain regal style.
Yes, my lotus blossom, whatever you say.
Yes, exactly. So, it's quite simple. More rules, more fines, more money for your beautiful daughters. Don't you agree?
Yes, of course. Anything you say.
Well?
Well?
Well then?
Well then, what?
Well then, do it!
Yes, all right, my lovely little lychee. Anything. Reader!
Yes, Your Excellency?
What new rules did we set forth last week for the good of my people?
Let me see, Your Grace. Your Grace, last week you banned laughing, dancing, telling jokes, any kind of celebration, and in general, having fun in any way.
Well, there you have it, my lotus flower. I think we have about covered it all. I really do not think there is anything left to ban.
Well, there's always singing.
Singing? What a marvelous idea!
And while you're at it, put an even bigger fine on it than usual. All that noise disturbs my beauty naps anyway. And those of your 3 daughters, I might add.
All right, all right. Let it then be decreed.
And not one moment too soon.
My delicate Chinese plum, if you will just allow me. Reader, royal cats, come forward so my word may become the law of the land.
Nikolai, come here. It's time to do your duty. We are ready, Your Excellency.
Yes, yes, all right. Let it now be decreed that there shall be no singing from dawn until dusk.
A very wise law, my dear. But is it strict enough?
A very good question, my capacious kumquat. A very good question. You know, I really hate it when those people sing at all. So let's just make it no singing, period. Today's new rule. There will be no singing from morning until night and from night until morning. That is my word, and that is the law, by the order of His Imperial Excellency, etc., etc., etc. This rule will keep them quiet, so I can at last have some peace. From now on, only I shall sing. Must not sing, must not dance, must not laugh or lose your pants. That's the rule, that's the law. Not allowed to say ha ha. If you do, night or day, woe is you, you have to pay.
Ahem. One would think you could get a little law passed around here without such a big fuss. Come, darlings, it's time for our mud baths. Before I leave, though, one more piece of business. Here are the names of those who already broke the rule today.
When it is dry, go read it to the villagers.
This is the worst rule yet. Look, he's even fined the cook just because he sang while feeding us our breakfast this morning. It's just not fair.
Remember what you told Dongwa. It is not for us to say what is fair or unfair. It is just our job to write it down. After all, we are only cats. We cannot change the world.
We're not helpless just because we're cats. We can change the world. How am I gonna get down? I have to jump. Uh-oh. This is not good. Now it says there will be singing. From morning until night and from night until morning. Wow, this is great! Singing all day long. This could be a good thing after all. Uh-oh. I've got to get these paw prints off of here. I've got to get out of here.
Well, now I see you've really gotten yourself in trouble.
Fufu, you found me. Wait a minute. I thought you couldn't see so well.
I can see better upside down, and I can also see that you are, once again, a mess. So, what is it this time?
Ink. Ugh. Can you fly me to the pond to get cleaned up?
Ink? Ink? Ink doesn't come off with water, especially this ink. You better get used to those spots, because they're not gonna go anywhere.
Uh-oh. Oh dear, I am in so much trouble.
Think of it as a fashion statement.
Not just for that. When I fell in the ink pot, I messed up one of the magistrate's rules. If he finds out what I've done, he'll put me out on the street. He'll put our whole family out on the street. I heard my mom say that to my brother today, and he was only mouthing off.
Hey, you, take it easy. Don't fall apart on me.
Quick, let's get out of here.
Well, now you've gone and done it. You are gonna be in so much trouble.
Thanks for the support, Dongwa.
Oh, sorry, but how... What... I mean, how did you get like this?
I fell into the ink pot.
You what?
Well, you see...
Mama and Papa are gonna be so...
Hey, Sagwa knows she's in trouble, and I'm gonna help her solve her little dilemma. In the meantime, you are making much too much noise. Noisy, noisy, noisy. It won't do us any good to draw attention to this little mess. And I need some peace and quiet to think and work out a plan.
So why don't the two...
I know. Leave. I can't wait to tell everybody how ridiculous you look all covered in ink.
Dongwa, don't say anything to anybody. Our whole family could get in trouble because of what I've done.
Okay. But you owe me one.
Will you please get out of here?
All right.
Ah, yes. Quiet at last. Now, where was I?
The plan. What am I going to do?
Oh, yes, the plan. Now, let's see. If we just...
You're 2 minutes late. Get the scroll with the new rules, take it into the village square, and read it to the people. Now!
Sagwa, keep calm. I'm going to fly down to the village and see what's going on there. I'll be back with a report before you know it. Jai Jin, my friend.
By order of His Imperial Excellency, I hereby decree that his word shall become law, and that the law of the land is that there will be singing from morning until night and from night until morning. It's true. See right here. The people must sing all day long.
What's this? What is all of this horrid, horrible, happy noise making? Really, my dear, how dare they disobey your rule?
Yes, how dare they? $431, $432, $433, $434.
434, my dear, a new record. We shall be wearing clothes of gold by this time tomorrow if all this singing keeps up. It's almost enough to make one like music.
Why are all these people singing? Why are you singing? Didn't you show them my new rule?
But, most honorable magistrate, this is your new rule.
What do you mean this is my own rule? Who did this?
Yes, who did this? What are you smiling at? How can you even hear yourself think?
But listen, my wondrous water lily. Listen to those beautiful words. They are singing my praises. In all my life, my people have never said a kind word about me.
Why, my dear, in 30 years I've never before seen you cry.
Well, in 30 years, my people have never called me kind. Imagine that. My kindness has caused them to sing. How very beautiful. Who's this? Oh, so you're the one who changed my rule. Mama Meow! Baba Meow! Come here quickly! Look what your kitten has done! Because of what Sagwa has done, I want you to write 3 new rules. For the first new rule, I take back all the old rules. The people may now laugh and joke and dance and whistle from morning to night, from night to morning, whenever they desire. As to the second new rule, from now on, my village shall be open to all stray cats, and all cats shall eat delicious fish every day, as much as they wish. As to the third new rule, from now on, all Chinese cats shall have dark faces, paws, and tails, in honor of the greatest of all felines, Sagwa of China.
Wow, Mama. That was a really great story.
Well, they've already heard it. But thank you, Shikwa. And now it's time for you to go to bed, too.
But I want to hear more.
There is no more. That really was the end.
Wow. Sagwa did such a good thing.
Well, yes, Shikwa. In many ways, she did. But you know, she also did some things she shouldn't have.
Really?
Really. But here's the good part. Many times, we actually learn from our mistakes.
I didn't think about it that way. I guess Sagwa learned her lesson.
Everybody did, I think.
Even the magistrate?
Especially the magistrate. Now it's time to sleep. Tomorrow's another day.
And another adventure.
Oh, dear. You're already starting to sound like Sagwa. Oh. Sweet dreams, my little adventurer. You certainly know how to land yourself in a bit of trouble from time to time. But your heart is always in the right place.
He couldn't have gotten far.
Yeah, he was scared silly. That was a good chase. All right, there he is again.
Finally, I've made the perfect cookie. I hope.
Well, well, well. Isn't that a swell-looking snack? I'm gonna have to sample some of that.
You hid 12 of these wooden animals, Nai-Nai?
That's right. The 12 animals of the zodiac. And whoever finds the most wins the game.
Find them all? But there's a rabbit and an ox and a pig and a dog, and there's a lot.
Oh, that's the fun part. Sagwa and Fufu, you're one team, and Dongwa, you and Shigwa are the other.
Oh, great.
Now, here's a hint. You'll find the wooden figures where the real animals in nature would be. At least some of them. Ready, set, go!
Watch it!
Come on, hurry!
It's the most beautiful one yet, Bado.
Thank you, Baba. I worked really hard to get it just right.
And it shows. I think the judge from the village contest will be impressed. Yes, yes, yes. Very impressed.
Well, I'm very impressed and hungry.
Don't bump into the cookie, Baba!
Whoa! Look out there! Hey! Squashed rat is not on the menu! I'm gonna need a plan B if I'm gonna get a taste of that.
Anything? Nothing. Maybe you can slow down.
No, we have to search all around the pond. Maybe you can hurry up.
I'm trying.
Come on, think of something. I just gotta get that cookie. What do we have here? Gotcha! A rooster? I wasn't in the mood for fowl, but... Yeah! That does not taste like chicken!
We need a new plan.
We never had an old plan. What was Nai-Nai's hint? We'll find the figures where the real animals would be in nature.
I know bats live in caves.
And monkeys hang in trees. Okay, you fly up and search the trees.
Excuse me, but there are a lot of trees.
Fufu.
Which I can't wait to check out. I see it! The monkey is in this tree here!
Great work, Fufu! We have the monkey!
And I have a headache.
Great! 1 animal found, 11 more to go!
The snake. Very good, Dongwa.
Thanks, Nai-Nai. I found it hiding in the grass near the pond.
Where's Shigwa?
Oh, she's, looking.
Dongwa! Dongwa! It's not fair. I can't find any hidden animals. I'll never win this Zodiac game.
Zodiac game? Oh, I get it now. How you doing, kid?
Who are you?
Why, I'm the guy who's gonna help you win your game.
Huh?
I just happen to know where all these, figures are hidden.
You do? Really?
Yeah, really. And if you want, I can help you find them all. But I need you to do something for me first.
Very good. 2 each. It's a close game. But where is Sagwa?
Listen, here's the plan. I'm gonna start looking for these animals for you, see?
Yes, yes!
But first, I'm gonna need some food. You know, to keep the old energy up.
Sure. No problem, Mr. Ratzer. I'll just grab you some scraps and...
Scraps? Here! No, come back here. I want you to go into the palace and get a special walnut cookie for me. It's on the desk.
Oh, I shouldn't do that.
You want to win your game, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. Now listen, here's what you gotta do.
I probably shouldn't do this. Never mind. I'll show Dongo I can play just as good as he can. You look here, Fufu. I'll check by the kitchen.
Yes! Oh, such a feast.
I don't think you're gonna like this. It's...
Whatever.
What about the zodiac animals? How many did you find?
What?
The animals for my game. You said you'd get them while I got you the cookie.
Oh, yeah, sure, kid. Here you go. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
But you already had this piece. What about the others?
Yeah, I looked, but couldn't find any more. Too bad. Them's the breaks, kid.
But you said you would. Sagwa?
Ow! What's this?
I tried to tell you. It's not a real cookie. Botto made it out of clay.
Clay? Is that one of the food groups?
You!
Oh, hello there. Great to see you again. It's been so long. Well, so long.
I know your tricks, Rat. You stole this cookie.
What are you talking about? I didn't take it. It was her.
Sagwa, steal from the palace. Huh, nice try.
No, really. We were in it together. Tell her. Look, I can explain.
Oh, no, you don't. Last time I listened to you, you got fat and I got in trouble.
No, really. We made a deal.
My sister wouldn't make a deal with you. Well... Huh? What? Well, Dongo left me behind and Mr. Rat was going to find the animals for me and... I didn't think Bado would miss it. Oh, Sagwa.
Told you. Well, see ya.
But you tricked me. You never found any animals like you said you would.
Easy, kiddies. Easy.
Here's where I found it.
Goodbye, Cookie. Thanks for the toothache. There, done.
It's right over here, Honorable Judge.
A very well-made piece. Excellently shaped, wonderfully painted.
Thank you.
And look here at these little marks. They look like teeth marks. Pure craftsmanship. True genius.
True genius. Wonderful news. I'm so proud of you, Bado.
But I didn't put teeth marks.
What can I say? I'm an artiste. Well, sorry for all the trouble. Gotta go.
I know. I should have never taken it. I guess I was just mad about being so bad at the game. Well, you know, the rat is in the zodiac. And I haven't found any animals yet.
Chasing me! Help!
Wow! It's beautiful!
Where is it? Where could it have gone? Not here either!
Are you sure there's nothing I can do, my reflective rice cake?
No, my jade necklace must be here somewhere. It just has to be.
Whee! I like this toy! What's that? It's mine! It's my treasure! I found it! Okay. But what is it? That's so pretty! I've never seen anything like it. I found it in the garden. Don't worry, I won't take it. What are you gonna do with it? Go play with it!
What is on your mind, my melancholy mushroom?
I was thinking of my father, and I suppose it's made me a little sad. When I was young, my father would be away a lot on trips. I would wait by the window for his return. I was always so happy when he came home. And sometimes he would bring me back wonderful gifts from his travels. Over the years, we have misplaced or even lost many of these small trinkets. But it seems now that I have lost the last and most precious gift he brought me, the little jade necklace.
Not to worry, my melodious melon. I will have the entire palace searched until it is found.
What you got there? That's really, really nice.
I found it in the garden. It was all dirty, but I cleaned it up.
Mind if we take a closer look?
I'm not sure.
Hey, I don't want it. It's all yours. You know, finders keepers.
Finders keepers?
It's simple. You found it, you keep it.
So, do you think I could have just a little itty-bitty look?
Well, I guess so.
Hey guys! The cooks just tossed out some sweet-smelling fish!
Fish treats? Let's go! There's nothing like a pile of fresh fish.
Shigwa, your jade necklace belongs to Tai. It was a gift her father gave her when she was young. You have to return it. No, it's mine. But it's not yours. It's Tai-Tai's. Finders keepers. I found it, I keep it. But what if someone found something that belonged to you, and you missed it very much? Wouldn't you want them to give it back? What am I supposed to do with you now?
What a beautiful piece of jade. Finders keepers.
You find it, you keep it.
Giving it back to Tai is the right thing to do. How would you feel if you lost something special?
Keep it. It's yours.
It's not right, Shigwa.
Who's gonna miss it anyway?
What if it were yours?
I guess I should give you back to Tai, but I'll sure miss you.
Well, have you found it?
I am sorry, Your Magistrate, but we have not found Tai-Tai's missing necklace.
Look harder! Search absolutely everywhere! Let not a stone nor pebble be left unturned!
Oh!
Well, it's time to find Tai.
Hey, where are you off to?
I'm returning this to Tai.
Tai, huh? Right now? That's a shame.
Why? What do you mean?
Well, I was just about to ask if we could borrow it. Han is having a party and...
A party? With treats?
Oh, yeah. Lots of treats.
Yum. Wait a minute. What's all this got to do with the necklace?
Right. Han wanted to wear it at her party and said you'd be invited if you let her borrow it.
And if I do, I can come to the party? Well, okay. But just for a little bit, I really need to get it back to Tai. Be careful!
Hey guys, look! It flies!
I think you should get it to Han now.
What's the rush? Han-Han's party has just been canceled.
We're just having a little fun.
Give it back! Hey, come back! It's not mine! It's Tai-Tai's.
Oh. Where's Tai-Tai's necklace?
I don't have it. The alley cats tricked me. What am I gonna do now?
Don't worry. We'll get it back.
But how?
You have nothing to worry about now, my delicate Daisy. It will be found.
That's very sweet of you. But no matter what, I still have the wonderful memories of my father.
Give it back, Wing Wing. You tricked her. She's just a little kid.
We didn't trick her. She gave it to us.
Hey, Shigwa, you still hungry for some party treats?
Sagwa, I think I have an idea to get the necklace back. Party treats.
Yeah! All right!
You really think they'll trade the necklace for some fish?
Yup! There's nothing like a pile of fresh fish. Grab one!
Hey guys, more fish! Hey, wait a minute!
She tricked us! The necklace! Ow!
Sorry, Wing Wing. It slipped.
I got it back! I got it! Whoa!
Tough break.
Oh no! Tai! She'll be so mad. I can't it back now. What do I do? But...
There really are no buts. It's hers. I know it's hard, Shigwa, but you can do it.
Oh. Maybe I should just leave it here. Then Tai-Tai won't know I broke it. No, it's my job to make sure she gets it back. Broken or not, it's hers.
My necklace! Oh, my necklace is found! It may not be whole, but even a piece of it brings back the many memories it whispers to me. Thank you, Shigwa.